Hi, I am Dr. Snehal Parsana, dental surgeon and implantologist from Gujarat. For more than 10 plus years, I am doing private practice. Recently, I attended Bhavdeep Sir's practice management workshop. Although workshop was online for 2 days completely, but I was literally feeling that Sir is in front of me and taking lectures offline. Sir was so energetic. This session was an eye-opening session for me. Sir's way of explaining is so simple yet powerful that I got so many answers of my queries for which I was struggling very hard since a long. Sir enlightened clinical points so deeply that from a very next day of session we can apply it practically. Uh, Classwork and homeworks given by Sir during the session can be a game changer if you are really into this workshop. If someone wants to improve his or her clinical practice as well as want to grow her clinical practice, then Bhavdeep Sir can be the best mentor. Thank you so much, sir, for including us into this workshop and giving us opportunity to be a part of your life. Really looking forward in future to take guidance from you, sir. Thank you so much.